Hey there, future tech moguls and unemployed philosophers. Welcome back to AR Insights, your go to spot for news, education, and the occasional existential crisis. Today, we're tackling a topic that's as hot as Elon Musk's latest tweet: how AI is shaping job markets in the USA. AI, artificial intelligence. The friend that remembers your shopping list better than you do, but also might steal your job someday. So, let's break it down. Is AI our ally, or is it secretly plotting a robot uprising? Part 1: The bright side of AI in the job market. First, let's talk about the good stuff. AI has created jobs too. Roles like machine learning engineers, data scientists, and meme curators? Okay, not yet, but it's only a matter of time. Let's not forget, AI makes our lives easier. I mean, have you tried asking ChatGPT to write your homework? Don't lie. We've all been there. List delivery style. Here's what AI brings to the table: it boosts productivity, it automates boring tasks, no more spreadsheet nightmares, and it creates entirely new job fields. But before you celebrate, hold that thought because there's a flip side to this shiny AI coin. Part 2: The AI takeover. Kind of. Let's get real. For every robot flipping burgers, there's a human thinking, hey, that was my job. AI has already replaced some roles: cashiers, factory workers, and who knows? Professional Netflix binge watchers might be next. Dramatic whisper. Imagine a robot binging all your favorite shows, judging your taste, and then replacing you at trivia night. The horror. Here are some not so fun side effects of AI: it replaces low skill jobs, it widens income inequality, and let's face it, it lacks human creativity. No AI can write jokes like mine, right? And some jobs are safe for now, like plumbers. Apparently, AI can't deal with clogged toilets. Take that. Terminators. Part 3: The $1 million question. So, here's the big question for you: would you trust a robot to do your job? Let me know in the comments. Seriously? I'm curious, especially if your job is something wild like lion taming or professional chocolate taster. Part 4: How to prepare for the AI wave. Okay? So, AI is here to stay. What now? Should you panic? Start hoarding canned goods? No. You just need to adapt. Here's how. Step 1: Learn skills that AI can't replace, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and being awesome. Step 2: Dive into tech. AI needs humans to manage it for now. Step 3: Keep learning, whether it's coding or basket weaving for stressed out tech bros. Part 5: Wrap up and call to action. So, what's the verdict? AI is shaking up the job market, no doubt. It's creating opportunities and challenges. It's like a roommate who does the dishes but eats all your snacks. You love it. But you're also kind of annoyed. Before you go, here's your mission. Comment below with your thoughts. Is AI a job stealing villain or a productivity superhero? And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because if you don't, the robots will take over this channel too. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the only AI we truly need is awesome insights. See you soon. Let me know if you want any adjustments or additional stylistic suggestions.